Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kenna and I'm Cameroonian YouTuber based in Douala, Cameroon. Thank you for clicking on this link. Today we're going to be doing the fruits and snack challenge. Okay, so I've seen this all over social media. It's one of the cutest challenges I've ever seen. I'm not one of those people to follow a challenge, but I was just like, no. I want to jump on this train. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. So to do this challenge, first of all, I want to do it for my two kids, Kayden and Monique. Mara cannot do that because she doesn't even know, everything goes into her mouth. So I want to do this for my two kids. The funny stress I have is both of them don't like the same things. Like Monique is not the person for sweetie things, and Bobo, Kayden is not in fact Kayden likes everything. I want to give them something that they really like to test them with, because there are some things that you put in front of Monique and Monique will just be like whatever, and you might think that she's the perfect baby. So that is what I'm doing today. Based on what they like, I got gummies. These are gummies. Bobo is crazy about gummies. I just got these gummies, and then I got sugar balls. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll first of all start with Monique. Let's wait and see what happens. Hey baby, sit down. Let me go to the toilet. I'm coming in.
Yes.
Don't touch your sugar balls. Wait, I'm coming, okay?
Yes.
Don't do anything, okay baby?
Yes.
I'm coming to come and give you, okay? Like my kid's reaction was so funny. Oh my god. He didn't even wait for me to leave the room. I'm like, but Monique actually surprised me, because going into this I thought that she was the one who was going to pick and Bobo was going to respect what I was saying, but I was shocked because it turned out the other way. Oh my god, this kid said, oh, I like this. I enjoyed doing this. It was so much fun. I was just peeping from the door behind me, that door right there. I was peeping. I stood there and I was peeping, and I was carrying Myra, and Myra was crying, but the voice of Myra did not even scare him. Like, he just was trying to go in and do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and just tell your friends and your neighbors and your cousins and everybody. And also, if you have any video suggestions, don't forget to let me know, because yeah, sometimes people get dry. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Love you. Bye.